Welcome to our channel, Get Cooking Now. Goan Cabbage Foogath, just like our grandmothers used to make it. Hi, I'm Laddie, and today we're bringing back a classic Goan favorite, Cabbage Foogath. This humble yet flavorful dish is what Goan cuisine is all about. Simple, fresh, and packed with nostalgia. What makes this recipe special is that we're sharing the traditional method passed down through generations, ensuring you get the authentic texture and flavor every time. The cabbage tastes perfectly crunchy, the spices are perfectly balanced, and the fresh coconut adds that essential Goan touch. Whether you grew up in Goa or just love its cuisine, this dish will bring back wonderful memories. So let's get cooking now and prepare this delicious cabbage foogath. Step 1. Preparing the cabbage. We have taken one cabbage weighing around 500 grams. Cut the cabbage into two. Take 1/2 of the cabbage, cut out the core, that is the hard part, like I have shown, and discard it. Now start cutting the cabbage into thin slices. For further details regarding this or any of our other recipes, always refer to the description box for accurate and updated information. Similarly, cut the remaining half. Our cabbage is ready. Step 2. Preparing the ingredients. Take 2 medium-sized onions and slice them. Take 2 medium-sized green chilies, cut them into 2 and then slit them. Take 8 medium-sized garlic cloves, cut them fine. Take 20 to 25 curry leaves or curry patta. Take ½ cup of freshly grated coconut. 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 3/4 teaspoon of cumin or jeera seeds, ½ teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of salt. Step 3. Preparing the cabbage foogath. On medium heat in an open thick bottom pan, add 3 tablespoons of coconut or any other cooking oil. Once the oil is hot, add the mustard seeds. When the mustard seeds start spluttering, add the cumin or jeera seeds. When the cumin or jeera seeds start spluttering, add the curry leaves or curry patta. Stir it nicely. Add the garlic pieces and stir. Add the slit green chilies. Stir it nicely. After around a minute, add the sliced onions. Stir everything nicely. Stir frequently to prevent burning or sticking to the pan.
If you haven't already subscribed to our channel, do subscribe and press the bell icon to receive a notification whenever we upload a new video.
Once the onions turn translucent, add the turmeric or haldi powder. Stir everything nicely. Add the salt. Add the cabbage. Stir it nicely for around 2 minutes so that all the ingredients are mixed properly. Did your grandmother and mum make cabbage foogath like this? Share your favorite memories of eating this dish growing up. Was it served with fish curry and rice or something else? Cover and cook for around 5 to 6 minutes or until the vegetable is cooked. Check to avoid sticking or burning and add a little water if required. Be careful not to overcook the cabbage. It should be slightly firm and tender, but not completely soft. Check for salt and add if required. We added around half teaspoon of extra salt. Check if the cabbage is cooked. Once ready, add the freshly grated coconut. Mix everything properly. Are there any Goan dishes that your grandma or mum made that you miss the most? Let us know in the comments. Delicious Goan cabbage foogath is ready. It's light, crunchy and full of authentic Goan flavors that pair perfectly with fish curry, rice, dal, chapati or even a warm poi. So until next time, stay healthy and stay blessed.
Check out our other interesting recipes and do subscribe to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.